We will tear down the newest iPhone 15 today. iPhone 15 color green looks quite beautiful. The overall effect is also very good. Remove the pentalobe screws of the bottom. Place the screen side of the phone on the heating device to preheat it. Then open the screen with opener. Unscrew the screws on the screen protector iron shield. Take down the screen protector iron shield. Disconnect the cable of the display and the light sensor. Place the back glass side of the phone on the heating device to preheat it. Knock the back glass open with something light and thin, like commonly used blades. Cameras need special protection. Take down the back glass protector iron shield. Disconnect the cable of the wireless charger. Remove the card tray. Disconnect the cable of the battery and other cables attached to the motherboard. Remove the front camera. Remove the ear speaker. Remove the motherboard. Rear camera. Use tweezers to pull out the battery glue slowly and carefully. Remove the battery. Remove the on-off flex cable. Remove the vibrator. Remove the SIM card connector. Remove the buzzer speaker. Remove the charging flex cable.